A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I bring forth the basic equation of any hypotenuse of a right angle triangle minus the square root of the sum of a cube-shaped square. On both sides, I am the olive in the center of the triangle. I restate my assumptions. Mathematics is the language of the universe. Everything around us can be represented, overstood through numbers. If you graph the number of any system, patterns emerge. Therefore, geometrically there are patterns everywhere in nature. I begin to search for the sigma code, the 9 fixed points in the width from 0.3, 14, 15, 92, 65, 35, and 89 equals the multiple of pi, the numerical value that adds up from 0 to 9. Every time, this is the exact number of pi. Count it out to 9 and divide it by 10. Carry you 30 and 2 digits. No man or human or mathematician has ever been able to figure out how to calculate the basic decimal point of the equation of 9 to the 9th power of 9, or the diameter of a circle divided into the circumference of the square. It's supreme mathematics that appears here, so fear not to all MCs step within the square. Remember Pythagoras and where we got his equations from by standing in front of the sarcophagus within the king's chamber, beneath the base of the Great Pyramid, and ancient Tamarin, falsely being called Egypt. The Pythagoreans, mathematicians, co-leaders, the first of them was born in Athens, Greece in 500 BCE. His major belief was that the universe was made of numbers. His major contribution in life, the golden ratio. Leonardo da Vinci rediscovered the balance perfection, golden rectangle, and penciled it into his masterpieces, connecting a curve through the concentric golden triangle. You generate the mythical golden spiral. Pythagoras loved the shape, for he found everything in nature, from seashells to ramholes to whirlpools to tornadoes. Our fingerprints, our DNA, and even our Milky Way. You see, mathematics appears everywhere when measuring distant galaxies. We have math and mathematical reasoning that's between 1, 2, and 3, and have traveled 3, 5, and 7. And now we hold the key, which is the to the Pythagorean Theorem that's between 1 and 9. We have mastered mathematical reasoning that's between 1 and 2 and 3, and have traveled 3, 5, and 7. And now we hold the key, which is the to the Pythagorean Theorem that's between 1 and 9.
Listen to yourself. You're connecting a computer book I had with a computer book you might have had in some religious hogwash. You want to find the number 216 in the world, you will be able to find it everywhere. 216 steps from your street corner to your front door. 216 seconds you spend riding on the elevator. When your mind becomes obsessed with anything, you will filter everything else out and find that thing everywhere.
In the magnificent world of arithmetic, what is the hidden mystery within the equation of 9 to the 9th power of 9? The number 9, is it odd or is it even? Me, 5, and 9 are even. And in sequence of integers that we find right angle is within a triangular measurement. So we begin to start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But where is the number 9 seen at last in the line before 0 slips in? So we begin to start counting again. Is the number 9 the last stop? Where does it begin and where does it end? Yeah, the stepping stones are 5 and 4, and they seem to have a special numerical system to them. 3 and 6 plays with perfection, and 9 is also 3 times 3, multiplying the binary code from 12 times 12 from 3 sets of 3, and the results will be 216 digits off into infinity. So if you divide 144,000 into 233, the answer will approach to be data, the key to understanding the golden spiral. 9 is also twice 4 plus 1 before it's equal to 2 plus 2. So perhaps deep down in the fabrics of numbers, I salute you and all of those who mathematically do not have a clue. We have math and mathematical reasoning that's between 1, 2, and 3, and have traveled 3, 5, and 7. And now we hold the key, which is the to the Pythagorean Theorem that's between 1 and 9. We have mastered mathematical reasoning.
I'm sure you've written down every 216-digit number. You've translated all of them. You've intoned them all. Haven't you? What's it gotten you? The number is nothing.
I'm going to show these people what you don't want them to see. I'm going to show them a world without you. A world without rules and controls, without borders or boundaries. A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.